Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Let's jump
I'm blurry.
Bitcoin show.
I'm blurry. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, we're back. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Bitcoin with another interesting day today. We're gonna jump right on into it because I got home a little bit late today. I got home a little bit later. I should say I got home. We'll leave it at that. But Bitcoin still respecting our falling wedge again, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. We'll talk about our falling wedge and everything in between, the wedgies, the pickles, everything in freaking between. But hope you guys had a fantastic Thursday. My Thursday was pretty freaking good today. Popa said Doge. Yeah, Doge up about 26% today. Welcome all the Dogers. There's probably a bunch of frickin' Dogers in the chat today. So yesterday we had the attack of the Shibbers. Today is going to be a attack of the Dogers. So you better frickin' watch out. There's going to be a lot of Dogers in the chat today. I can already frickin' tell. What's going on, Chuka? Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. All right, let's continue on. So Bitcoin's falling wedge. Guys, this literally played out so perfectly over the last 2 days, right? So we were talking about when we were up here that Bitcoin could have one more dip back down to retest the wedge back down here at about $58,000. And what did we do last night? Well, we literally, as you would say,
Rant alert.
came back down to retest the wedge again on multiple occasions. You also, on top of that, had the W reversal pattern back up to the top of the wedge. Okay, so we reached the top of the wedge. What did Bitcoin do from there? Well, it had obviously an initial rejection. Okay, and then we had this giant whale manipulation wick, whatever you want to call it, all the way back down. I was watching this actually, and the price was just fluctuating like crazy, right? It was jumping up like $300, $500 down, $1,000 up. The price was going absolutely insane. But we ended up, right, wicking all the way back down to the bottom of the wedge and then closing all the way back at the top of the wedge, which was pretty freaking crazy candle. A lot of volatility in that candle. What are we doing now? Well, we just a bunch of craziness today. We got a little bit of a wick above the wedge. But now we pulled back a little bit and we're sitting right on top of our 20 exponential moving average on the 4 hour. So that's what we're watching here for on this current 4 hour candle. Are we going to hold this this current 4 hour candle, or are we going to have one more test back down to the bottom of the wedge? That is the question. What do you guys think in the chat? I'm going to ask you guys, what do you guys think? Is Bitcoin going to break out right here, or will we see one more test at the bottom of the wedge? What do you guys think in the chat? What do you guys think in the chat? Free Viper say you look sexy, Jordan. I do look sexy, man. I cannot lie, bro. I'm way too sexy, as Future would say. As for you guys know the Future song, I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my... That's what I would say today, man. Good day today. Good day today. But yeah, I mean, we're sitting right on top of that 24-hour EMA, man. Are we going to hold that? I think if we do, if we can hold this on this current 4-hour candle, which it closes in about 57 minutes, if we can confirm this, come back down, confirm this as support, I think there's a good chance that we could break out to the upside here for Bitcoin without coming back down and testing the bottom of the wedge again, in my personal opinion. Matt says another test. One more test at the bottom tomorrow. We'll see, man. We shall see. I mean, we shall see, man. I mean, it's kind of the setup we've been talking about, right? It's sort of this Elliott wave theory, as freaking Savvy would say, right? The Elliott wave. It's a 5 wave, right? But we're actually, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and usually on this 5th one we break out to the upside, just like we have in every other wedge, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 we break out, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we break out. So let's see, right? Based off history, we should break out here. We could go sideways here for a little bit longer and then break out, but based off the history of the previous falling wedges, we should break out without having to come back down and test the bottom of the wedge again. But we shall find out. We shall find out. Right, said Fred? Yeah, sure. What's up, Crypto Scotty? Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. Ethereum, guys. Ethereum. We're going to look at Ethereum right away because Ethereum... This is not Ethereum. This is Bitcoin. Wow, look at that 6-month Ethereum chart. That looks bearish. That looks bearish, as we would say. But Ethereum, let's actually get... Why is the moon chart up? Like, what the heck? Why do we have the moon chart up? What is this beeswax? What the... Bro, are we really going to play this game right now? Oh, I have it locked. I was like, dude, why isn't this going away? Ethereum pushing 42.64. You know what that means, bro?
Nope.
Nope. I pressed nope. Don't wanna party. Ethereum might again, right? We might have Ethereum. I told you guys I was going to take care of Ethereum today. Did I not tell you? The morning was a little rough, but I told you I was going to take care of Ethereum and I was going to... I told you. And now Ethereum might have the highest daily close of all time again, right? Just after a couple days ago having the highest close of all time, we're about to do it again for Ethereum, pushing 42.60. And like we said, like, there's not much. Ethereum keeps coming up and testing these levels, but there's not much there for Ethereum until the all-time highs. There's really not, up towards 43.70. So if Ethereum can get any more momentum, aka can Bitcoin get more momentum to the upside, Ethereum could be seeing all-time highs. If not, Bitcoin doesn't break out tonight, maybe within the next couple of days. Assuming that Ethereum or Bitcoin can continue up. So ETH looking real juicy. Just wanted to quickly touch on ETH in the beginning of the stream. Really all we have left is this wick up here, man. I mean, that's really it. That's really freaking it. Up towards 43.76. So we'll see. A lot of it's going to depend on Captain BT Sizzle. All right, Captain BT Sizzle. So we'll watch BTC on there. The hourly on BTC. Let's see what we're looking at. The hourly. Hourly, we just got to close below the 1 hour EMA. So let's see what happens here. I wouldn't be surprised if you know, real quickly on the hourly, we might get a quick wick down, but ultimately on the 4 hour, I just want to see a close above this 4 hour EMA. We don't have to, but I think it would be a little bit better as far as the structure goes to hold this as support. But on the 1 hour, we could definitely get a quick wick down and come back up before the 4 hour close in about 52 minutes or so. The 1 hour is all over the place, right? The 1 hour is freaking all over the place. It looked like we were breaking out of some type of, you know, inverse head and shoulders right here. Looks like we were breaking out some inverse type of head and shoulders. But we tried to wick up and then we came right back down in to the inverse head and shoulders. So that is all but nullified at this point. So we're going to have to wait to see what happens next on the hourly here. But I mean, in reality, we could see a test back down here towards the 59,956 level, which isn't that far down here on the hourly, right? All caps all the time. Abso-freaking-lutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. All right. So there's really not much to touch on the hourly. I mean, the hourly, no bullish divergence or anything like that. I mean, the stock RSI's bottomed out, so you know you could have some momentum to eventually push you back to the upside here, and that's why I think, you know, maybe in this hourly candle we do get a quick wick down, but we bounce back up before the close. That's kind of what I'm seeing here as far as the short-term charts go. The daily, can we get a bullish engulfing candle, guys? I think it's about time. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. And don't be playing if you don't. But I don't want to go to war. I'm too busy doing bearish charts. I don't want to go to war. Send Bob. Send Bob. I'm too busy plotting Elliott waves and being bearish. Why? Because nothing has changed. Send freaking Bob. He sends no value to this world, unlike me. Unlike me. What? Savvy. Don't tell him to send me. I'm too fat anyways. I can't even move. Don't tell him to send me. Like, I still live in my basement. I offer no value. I'll get killed in 2 seconds in war. Send freaking Savvy. He freaking sucks anyway. No one cares about him. In all seriousness, guys, let's get your swords, get your shields, and we will get the bullish engulfing candle here on the daily time frame. We will get it. Okay? We need to get it close above 60,346, right? 60,346. That's where we need to get a close above to get the bullish engulfing candle here on the daily. So let's see what happens. I think we're going to do it. But let's just see what happens here over the next 49 minutes here on the daily. If we can, might be a good sign if we could get some continuation up. But we shall see where the close ends up, right? It all depends on where the close ends up. Ultimately on the daily, I mean, the daily looks pretty fine, right? I mean, the daily looks fine in a nutshell. I mean, if you zoom out, if you zoom the frick out, we're still holding this peak from all the way back here in February as far as the support level. And also, we talked about how the 20-day EMA, let me actually get rid of that Viking helmet here. Where's Java's liquidation? Java's liquidation is the wedge, right? So if we break out, that means Java's liquidated. Let's actually put a Java liquidation price here. Let's do 61.6. 61.6 is Java liquidation price. Let me actually put Java's liquidation price in here. 61.6. And this is going to be Java is liquidated LFG. Java is liquidated LFG. All right, so 61.6 is Java's liquidation price, guys. We'll watch it and see if he ends up getting liquidated. I think he freaking will. I think he freaking will. All right, let's go back to the daily. Ultimately, we're still holding that previous peak from February. And, you know, what have we done today? Which is nearly nice. Yesterday, we said we closed below the 20-day exponential. I was like, all right, that means we could go a little bit lower, which, you know, we did end up going a little bit lower. We went as low as like 57.6 just a couple hours ago. But now we have bounced back and we have reclaimed the 20-day exponential moving average, right? So if we can get a close above that and a bullish engulfing candle, that's going to set us up for a potential bounce to the upside. And we know, right? We know on this channel.
Rant alert. Rant alert. Rant alert. Rant alert.
I'm in a mood, guys. I am definitely in a mood right now. Just ignore me. We know on this channel that we are 1 in a falling wedge. Okay, we are 1 in a falling wedge. We are 2. Plan B has predicted 63,000 by the end of October, and we don't have that long to go. We have about 3 days until the end of October. Okay, and 3, right? Everyone, okay, and I still see everyone still thinking that we could go down to 53,000. There's still people calling for lower prices. Those 3 things combined lead me to believe that we will break to the upside, especially our falling wedge and our especially Plan B's prediction of $63,000 by the end of October. We're so close, right? We're so close to doing it at this point, right? If we actually go to the Plan B chart here, right? I mean, we got to start moving, right? We got to start moving. Now, we don't have to do it today, right? We don't have to do it tomorrow. We don't have to do it Saturday. Sunday, for all we know, we can get that big pump up to 63,000 to confirm the prophecy, right? To confirm the prophecy. But I think I still believe by the end of this month we're going to be sitting above $63,000. In my personal opinion, for multiple different reasons, as I just said, right? Multiple different reasons. I'm Starbucks says new drinking game. Do a shot whenever the rant alert sound goes off. That's a pretty good one, man. That's pretty good. Let's see. Plan B blocked you on Twitter. Well, you probably said something stupid, man. Like, I'm going to be honest. You probably said something stupid. I don't like blocking people. I'll block people if they're just being rude, like really rude, right? If someone has a different opinion than me, I'm not going to block them. I don't really care. But if people are just like, oh, this guy sucks, or like, you know, something like that, then it's like, dude, there's disagreeing, and then there's like, all right, I mean, just stop, man. Just stop. You're just being annoying at this point. Look at ETH. Look at ETH, 4280, okay? 4280 right now for Ethereum, pushing up to that all-time high. Let's freaking get busy, as we would say. Let's freaking get busy. ETH can freaking get it. It's ecoms. ETH freaking can freaking get it. Where's my guy Algo in the chat? Is he in here right now? All right. So, yeah, I mean, ETH is killing it. Bitcoin trying to kill it, right? Trying to kill it. We're looking for a close as a back test of support here first, and then maybe we could continue up going into the next 4-hour candle in about 44 minutes. But Ethereum is looking real juicy here. Looking real friggin' juicy. 42.85 now for ETH. Your wife giving out. ETH is up 9% today. That's like, you know, 9% doesn't seem like a lot, but for Ethereum, for such a high market cap coin, 9% is a huge freaking day, right? 9% is a huge day for, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum just because they're such high market cap, right? So that's a massive green candle here for Ethereum. It gets me really excited. That's why I'm in such a good mood. And after the stream, I'm going to be back over there. I'm going to be back freaking over there. All right. So, I mean, we touched on the more just the Bitcoin. I mean, I mean, we know what we're waiting for here. We know we're waiting for the break of the falling wedge, guys, at the end of the day, right? That's what we're waiting for. Now, looking at the weekly time frame, the weekly's bouncing back a little bit, right? At one point, we were all the way down here, looking pretty ugly on the weekly, but now we've retraced a majority of that weekly candle. If we can keep retracing, this could end up being an extremely bullish candle, where a couple days ago, this was looking like a pretty bearish candle, right? So it's how things can change so fast, right? A weekly candle can look so bearish, and then all of a sudden, it just turns to extremely freaking bullish, right? Extremely freaking bullish. Give us safe moon chart, cut the crap. 30-inch stick. A 30-inch stick. Holy crap, man. That's a big freaking stick. It's bigger than my stick. I'll say that. All right, let's move on. That's it. Yeah, but the weekly is looking good. Ultimate for the weekly, like we've always said, what we want to do is, at the worst case scenario on the weekly, we want to close above the previous weekly closes, somewhere above 59.9, which we are about $800 above now. Okay? The bears are here? The bears are here. Ah, man, bro. You guys are too funny. Too freaking funny. There's a lot of bears here, guys. Yeah, let's hit up that like button, guys. Let's get it back up to 1,000 likes if we freaking can. You guys are the best. Appreciate you a lot. All right, let's move on to the Plan B chart. Like we said, like we got to start moving, right? We got to start moving here a little bit. We're about $2,300 below, the $63,000 level. So, I mean, in theory, we got to move up like an 800 a day. It's not too unrealistic. We could do that in one day. We could do that in 1 hour, right? I mean, we've seen it before for Bitcoin. So there's no rush. There's no rush, but I think on Sunday we'll be above this green line, in my personal opinion, by Sunday. I think most people can agree. If you agree with me in the chat, put your hand up. Put your hand freaking up and raise it like you never raised it before if you think Bitcoin will be above 63,000 by the end of the day on Sunday. Put your hand in the air and shake it like your mama made it. All right? Let's freaking go. But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's looking good. Obviously, we know we have to come on November. That's going to be the crazy one. Like, are we going to hit 97,000 by the end of November? I don't freaking know. Right? That's going to be crazy. I'm not going to doubt Bitcoin. I never doubt Bitcoin. Bitcoin does whatever it wants, when it wants to do it, how it wants to do it, with who it wants to do it with. So, man, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy from here on out. This little where's my fractal? My Jordano-enu fractal. Bro. All right, guys, got to get my Jordano-enu fractal back. Hold on. My Jordano-enu fractal is gone. It's actually pretty saddening. It's from here to up here. And we extrapolate this over like this. Pawtucket, man. Shout out to Pawtucket, bro. Shout out to Pawtucket. Not too far from me, man. Not too freaking far from me, I gotta say. All right, so our Jordano-enu fractal is looking super juicy still. Now, I was looking at this earlier today, aka this morning, okay? And I was like, this is interesting. Could we, we've been sort of thinking that we're at this level here, right? We've been sort of thinking like we could be at this level. Could we be here? And this gets me thinking a little bit. Could we be here instead of here, right? Doesn't that make a little bit more sense from where we are? I don't know. I was looking at this a little bit today and I was like, that looks way more legit, and that makes it look even better. It already looked good, but look at this now. Like if you put this right against this, that looks even more juicy. Maybe we're not as ahead of schedule as we thought, and we could be somewhere right here where we get like a big move up to like 82,000 and pull back again to test the highs. I don't know, something along those lines. Maybe that could be the move, right? I think this area is very similar to this, and we could be right at that level on the Jordano-enu fractal. Okay, David said your Bitcoin fractal is looking real good. It is looking real good, man. Real freaking good. I like that. Seems like a mystery coin has pumped Jordan today. Mystery coin. ETH. I guys, I swear, I solemnly swear, I only pumped ETH today, and that's it. Okay, I only pumped ETH today. All right, so that's the Jordano-enu fractal. If it continues to play out, I mean, we should maybe expect a nice pump up here based on the fractal. I'm not going to say that's going to happen, but that is what the Jordano-enu fractal is saying. Okay, maybe a move up here. And even if we were right here, I mean, that's still expecting a parabolic move up. So either way, that could be what we're looking at, right? So bearish. Jordano-enu fractal. Don't ask. Don't freaking ask. And then the mid-cycle dips still playing out perfectly, man. I mean, it's like clockwork, right? It's like freaking clockwork, as I say. Just like the wedges, man. It's like freaking clockwork. Pull back, 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 pull back. Every single cycle is playing out literally the exact same. Literally. The exact price action might not be the same, toe to toe, but the general trends as far as up and down in certain areas are still playing out the exact same. We're a little bit below schedule, right? Which is fine. That's where we want to be, right? Obviously, we're not going to keep up with 2013, 2017. We're a little bit higher in market cap now. It's probably going to end up something like this, where we sort of end up somewhere in this range. I mean, this would make a lot of sense if something like that was going to happen. So that is still playing out very, very juicily. Very, very juicily, if you ask me. ETH just keeps going, guys. I got to go back to ETH. I got to go back to ETH, bro. 42.88. Can we break? If we break 42.90, we'll play the pump song again. All right. We just did it. We just did it.
Rant alert.
And we're back below it. But for a split second, we broke 42.90. For a very, very split second. Very, very split second. But we are back below it. We got pretty close. Jordan, how do you buy Safe Moon tutorial? I don't know, man. I have never bought Safe Moon. Shorty Shrew said, Jordan, I've been cheating with your wife, ETH. Shorty Shrew, please don't do that to me, man. I've been hurt a lot in my past, and I can't have you been screwing my wife, man. I can't do it. I can't mentally prepare for it, even though I know everyone's doing it. Just don't tell me, okay? If you're screwing my wife, just don't tell me. What's up, OSU? You have a nice fractal, Jordan. Thank you, OSU. I have a very nice fractal. I appreciate you for acknowledging my fractal and boosting up my spirits, man. I appreciate you. All right. So that's that. I mean, anything else you really want to touch on with Bitcoin? Not freaking really. I once again just want to, I always like to say this. You guys know. Look at how bearish the 6-month chart looks. This looks bearish. Dead cat bounce. This is why the whole time I thought the dead cat bounce thing was so freaking stupid, bro. So freaking stupid. I mean, this is what every bear market, I mean, boop, 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 right? Yeah, this looks very similar. This looks extremely similar, bro. And it's why every time I looked at it, I was like, bro, it's just so stupid, man. Look at how bullish this 6-month candle looks. And this looks like it's stopping. Yeah, this looks legit. This looks like it's stopping right here.
Rant alert.
You'll still have people in the chat. I mean, you'll still have them in the chat. Dead cat bounce, even though we're at a higher price every single time. Call Savvy. I don't have his number. If I did, I'd call him on stream. Imagine if I called Savvy on stream. I'm like, yo, what up, Stravy? I'm streaming right now. Can we do a quick talk? I think he would hang up on me. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty freaking sure, man. Total market cap. Look at Juicy today again, too. I mean, total market cap's about to get a bullish engulfing candle in the daily as well. I mean, in less than the next 30 minutes, you get a decent size move down. which is always possible, right? You can't deny it. But the total market cap looking juicy for a bounce as well. Right off, this is what I said consistently, guys. We had a downtrend of resistance on the total market cap. This was simply a back test of the total market cap. Perfect, man. Perfect. Literally a perfect bounce off the top of that, and a nice bounce back to the upside. Looking very, very juicy for a move back up on the total market cap. I got your back locked. Let's call that fool. I don't have his number. I wish I did. You only talk if it was going down. Facts, man. Absolute facts. All right. So that's the majority of Bitcoin. I don't think I had anything else. I think I just wanted to say the reserves on exchanges. This was from yesterday, but the reserves from exchanges, all exchange reserve are going down as the price. As the price is going down, which is usually what we want to see, right? Bitcoin coming off exchanges as the price is moving down, which means that people are just putting it in cold storage. So this is a very, very bullish sign for Bitcoin as people are just moving coins off the exchanges, which is good. Obviously, in the grand scheme of things, that is what you want. Okay, that is what you want. Man, ETH is just looking like it wants to blow here. I mean, it looks like it wants to frickin' blow. And what's exciting about don't say any dirty jokes in the chat, dude. Do not say any dirty jokes in the chat. If ETH can get any more momentum here in the daily, it's got room to run. It's not like it's topped out either. All right, this has got room to run potentially for Ethereum. 4 hour as of right now. Yeah, you broke that bearish divergence on the 4 hour too. So yeah, I mean, and you got room to run on the 4 hour. So ETH, if Bitcoin can allow it, right? Obviously, a lot of it has to do, can Bitcoin allow it? If it can, ETH could have potential to, I'm not even kidding, it has potential to come back up and test its highs over the course of the next couple of days, if not today. If Bitcoin can allow it to, obviously. That's the main key here for ETH. You can apply them, just don't say them. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Yeah, everyone wants to see Matic, all right? I got Matic right here, bro. Here you go. Man. $212, baby. All right, Matic 212 up 20. Besides SHIB and besides Doge, Matic is up. Guys, listen to this. Matic is up 21.5% on the day. For any non-meme / dog coin, okay, that is a massive, massive gain. That is a huge green pickle, right? We need to bring out the green pickle for that. That is absolutely insane. Like, I have that for especially for a larger coin, that is a massive day. That is a massive. And what did we say about Matic, bro? Matic was being so boring for so long. People were starting to say, what's wrong with Matic? What's wrong with Matic? Just have patience for the coins that aren't moving. And Matic is paying off. Just since the end of September, I mean, Matic has done over a 2x from there, which is a pretty massive move. And it doesn't look like it wants to stop at the current moment, pushing 214, almost 215 at the moment. Next resistance for Matic, I mean, just based off this, I mean, could be about 225, man. I mean, you could be going up to 225 pretty freaking quick here. So daily RSI is about at 78. It's pretty high, but you can go up a little bit higher here. But Matic is looking freaking juicy, man. Looking freaking juicy. Really freaking juicy. All right, so that's a crazy day. Crazy day for Matic. I quickly want to touch on Dogecoin as well. I know, Doge, I don't really consider, in the same breath as other things, but Doge, actually at one point, it was all the way up at 34 cents. Doge had a massive day. I mean, at one point, Doge was up Doge was up 42% at one point today. Obviously, I have to mention, I mean, that's an absolutely insane day for a higher cap coin as well. You know, we've seen sort of a battle between Dogecoin and SHIB as far as market cap. They're just sitting there. Come on, bro. They're just sitting there. You got SHIB coming up saying, you want to fight, bro? You want to fight, SHIB? Come on, bro. Let's fight, bro. What? Doge? What do you think you are, Doge? Have you seen these muscles, bro? Have you seen these muscles? I'm the ultimate meme coin. I'm the ultimate meme coin, bro. No. Dogecoin is the ultimate meme coin, bro. Come on, let's friggin' go. But yeah, I mean, Doge and SHIB are fighting with each other right now. Going absolutely insane. But yeah, man. I mean, Doge looking good. Doge looking good. I would look for a close. Preferably for Doge, I probably want to see a close above preferably above this wick here at about 29 cents. I think it's going to do it unless it keeps dumping here before the close. It's about a cent over it. But not looking too bad for Doge today. And on the other hand, SHIB, you know, I don't think it's done, guys. I don't think it's done. I'm going to say this now so I don't get attacked by the shibbers. I don't think it's done. It's only down about 23%. So yeah, it's a decent sized pullback, but I don't think SHIB is done. I think it's just cooling off for another run to the upside. Personally, I don't think SHIB is going anywhere as much as some people might want it to. I don't think it's going anywhere at the current moment, but yeah, SHIB with a little bit of a pullback. It'll probably consolidate like it did here for a little bit. You know, probably consolidate for a little bit and then probably go again, in my personal opinion. But we'll obviously see. You can't say what SHIB's going to do. SHIB's going to do what it wants to freaking do at the end of the day, right? At the end of the day. Hopefully some of that money pours back into Bitcoin and ETH, which it might be doing now. I mean, ETH is up 9% today. You're probably seeing some of that money come from SHIB it back into some of these higher caps, at least for now. But yeah, I mean, that's the Doge versus SHIB battle today. Just want to quickly touch on that so we can move on. What the F got into Matic? Matic's just going nuts. I mean, Matic is still going, bro. Matic is still going. 23, 22, pushing 216. Holy moly, man. I'm glad I dollar cost averaged some Matic down here, man. That's Matic is doing very, very nice. Very, very nice move to the upside. SHIB going to flip BTC like yesterday? Is SHIB going to flip BTC? No. No. SHIB won't flip BTC. All right. Let's move on here. So we talked about Bitcoin. We talked about ETH. Do the sad music for ADA. I mean, ADA's up about 4% today, so it's not doing too bad. It's trying to recover. Obviously not as big as some other coins, but it's trying to recover. So let's at least give it some not praise, but you know, a little bit of pat on the back for ADA. It needs some comforting, guys. You got, you know, all the other alts, you know, I mean, there's some other alts not pumping up as much too, but you got ADA sitting there going, no one loves me anymore. What the heck? Come on, man. What did I do to you guys? Yeah, I might not have no utility, but please love me. I might not bring anything to the table besides my looks, but please love me anyway. Harmony. Love me anyway. My name's Ada. I'm beautiful. Please love me. Right? I mean, that at the end of the day, Ada should bounce back. Right? Ada's going to bounce back at some point, right? It's not going to go sideways forever. A lot of people think it's going to go sideways forever. It's not going to go sideways forever. At the end of the day, guys, it's not. It's just not going to do it. A lot of people think it will, right? You'll have people in the chat saying, Ada's dead, like JH right there. I knew that was coming. It's like, people think that's such an original friggin' saying, bro. It's the most original saying in crypto. Ada's dead. Ada's dead. Like, can you come up with something different? Ada's dead, guys. Look at Ada. It's dead. Ada's dead. It is dead. It was only 2 cents earlier this year. Ma, bring my inhaler. I can't breathe. No, but yeah, I mean, ADA will bounce back, bro. ADA will bounce back. Let's see. So Ethereum's chilling, Bitcoin's chilling. Let's see. Bob, you're so annoying, but I love you. Bob is friggin' annoying, bro. I hate Bob. He's my brother, though, so I have to love him, you know? Bob's real, too, guys. If you guys haven't already, go follow my Instagram. You'll see a picture of Bob on there. He's gonna freaking kill me. You'll see a picture of Bob on there. Go down on the Instagram, down below. You'll see a picture of Bob. Jordano-enu Cameron. You'll see it down there. It's pretty funny. You guys can comment on the picture and say, Bob, is that you? That'd be really funny. He'd be mad at me, but you can do it anyways. All right, let's in the meantime here, let's go over some of these other things that we got possibly cooking here. Let's see the S&P. We bearish.
Rant alert.
Stock market's bearish. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash, bro. It's bearish. Not like the other 10 years that we say in the stock market's gonna crash. It's bearish. It's only put all-time highs in the last 5 days again. Bro, stop listening to these freaking truckers, okay? That keeps saying this thing in stock market's gonna crash, bro. I mean, stop it. Stop. Right here, right now. Stop. All right?
Rant alert.
I'm not going to go any further into it, bro. I'm going to get no further into it. Stock market making new all-time highs. Still have gaps down here, but still making all-time highs. DXY, let's see. DXY. The DXY. Let's see. So big move down. Big move down yesterday. The DXY is looking really good for BTC here. You broke this peak, and you're starting to move down. Okay? To war. You got your TA from a trucker? I did, man. I did. But guess what? It doesn't matter. All right. So you moved all this down, right? I mean, you broke this previous peak. You broke this previous peak. Dollar index looking really juicy here for BTC and crypto in general. Now, could you have a little bit of a falling wedge? Actually, you might have broken down. You're right at the bottom of the falling wedge. If this ends up being some type of falling wedge on the DXY. So this is what we'll watch on this. If this breaks to the downside, oh boy, we could be getting cooking. We could be getting cooking. Everyone wants Safe Moon tonight. I'll leave it up to the chat, guys. Should we check out Safe Moon? Yes or no in the chat? We'll look at it. I just like to see people's reactions. I like teasing. I like teasing you guys. I really do. You guys are too easy to tease. John said no. Fire. Shiba's pumping right now. I don't know if it's pumping. Could be pumping. We'll check it out in a second. But yeah, dollar index, we'll see if this plays out. If it does, it could be going up. If this breaks, we could be moving down pretty nicely. Without truckers, you'd be down. All right, let's move it on. Moving on. Bitcoin dominance, moving down again. I mean, as long as we can hold this support right here, I think it's likely that we bounce. But if this breaks, could be seeing a move back down for the Bitcoin dominance, which for all you altcoin lovers out there, you know, including me, could be a pretty good sign. Could be a pretty freaking good sign for the Bitcoin dominance moving down for altcoins. We'll see. Just like the DXY, we gotta wait to see if this holds at the end of the day. If it does, perfect. If it doesn't, we're going down. We're going down into altcoin town. But if it does, then we're going back up. We're going back up. But at the end of the day, I think that's about it. We're gonna watch to see what Bitcoin does on the 4-hour close. We're right at it, bro. We're right freaking at it. Get your Viking helmet. Get your swords and your shields. I know you guys don't think you're fighting anymore, but you are. You are still fighting. Don't you worry. Let's see if we close above this right here, man. Let's see if we do it. Let's see. Let's forget. All right, let's do some of these super chats here while we wait for some of this movement. ETH at 42.78. You know, pull back a little bit, but I don't think it's done. I do not think it's done whatsoever. Okay, whatsoever. Let's see. Hoba said Doge. We looked at Doge. Perfect. Daniel wants Veracity. Let's check out Veracity for Daniel here. Veracity. What are we doing here? What are we freaking doing? Let's get rid of that. Go to the daily, see what we're cooking here on the daily. So the daily is the one that we broke to the upside out of the potential wedge. Yeah, it looks like a back test. Looks like a pretty clean back test. So previous resistance, it came back down and flipped it as support. If this can close as another bullish engulfing candle here on the daily, like right here, this can close a daily bullish engulfing candle for Veracity. Could be looking at higher prices. And we looked at this as a sort of nice little cup and handle, upward sloping cup and handle, with the back test, which is perfect, right? With the back test, which puts you at, let's see, at the breakout target right about there. Puts you at about 9.7 cents for a potential breakout for Veracity. And we could look at the Fibonacci levels too, right? Swing high to swing low. Let's see what we got cooking here. I think you already hit. Yeah, I mean, your first move was right to that 1.618. If that breaks, I mean, which, you know, we would expect it to break if this plays out, 2.618 is upwards of 13.3. So that could be next, assuming that we continue up, which I don't see any reason why we wouldn't, you know? I don't see any reason why we wouldn't. There's some bearish divergence at the moment, but we haven't finished the move yet, right? You got to wait for some type of confirmation that the move is finished. We don't have confirmation of that just yet. Yep. Your opinion on Dash? Better than Litecoin? There's many things better than Litecoin, man. I mean, there's probably 99% of coins that are better than Litecoin, but let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Erg for crypto and tech guy, got you. And ecoms wants peep algo for me. Yeah, absolutely. Abso-friggin-lutely. 184 at the moment for algo, by the way. Which algo's looking pretty juicy too. Dash. Let's see. Dash. We see a move relatively soon here. Litecoin's better than ADA? No, Litecoin's not better than ADA. That's some recency bias. But yeah, higher lows, lower highs. You know, you could argue that you get another support coming up here. So we'll see. I think you're going to get a move relatively soon. Let's bring up the daily EMA ribbon. And you broke back below that, which I don't love, but at the end of the day, I mean, a lot of this, we got to watch Bitcoin at the end of the day. If Bitcoin moves up, this probably moves back up too. 4 hour, anything cooking here. You were oversold in the 4 hours. You got a perfect bounce there. Perfect bounce. I don't see a reason why the 4 hour doesn't continue up, unless Bitcoin moves back down, which I'm not expecting it to. Looks like a little back test of this previous high in the 4 hour, flipping it as support. So we'll watch that. I think this does come up and at least test, you know, bearing in mind Bitcoin doesn't crap the bed, I think it's likely that this holds and you come back up and test the resistance again and hopefully break it for good this time. There's a lot of altcoins that are so close to breaking out, and this is another one. Hopefully this breaks this for good this time. That'd be friggin' nice, but that's what I'm seeing. That's what I would expect to happen here for Dash. But Dash is another coin that hasn't really performed too well in this market. But yeah, I mean, Dash is Dash. Dash is Dash, man. LTC OG, old grandpa coin. Pretty much, man. A lot of these old coins are just a lot of the old coins are just like and I don't love a lot of the old coins. To me, there's not really a point of holding them, in my opinion. Your opinion on Dash? Sold my Idex last week and bought back in today. I'm assuming it dumped last week and it moved back up. I think that the Chrisek, that's what I'm assuming went down here, buddy. Oh man, you sold at the right time, bro. Yeah. We're gonna get out. This looks good, buddy. I mean, if you sold last week, that definitely was a good move. And it moved back down to 23.79. Now you're at a pretty critical support. I mean, you have your local wick here from September 26th. If this doesn't hold, well, you don't really have much else besides that. I mean, you're looking at just, you know, black screen territory to the downside, which, you know, is the opposite what we want. We want black screen territory to the upside. We don't quite have that just yet, but that's what we're sort of waiting for at the moment. Daily stock is bottomed out. Daily RSI could go a little bit lower, but I don't know. We'll see if this holds. If this can hold and you build some nice support here, you probably have a nice move back up. Let's check the 1 hour. 1 hour. Again, the 1 hour, man. Build like a little diamond reversal pattern here. Let's see. Little diamond. Little diamond. Possible diamond reversal pattern here. Potentially. If you can crawl this back up and break out. Certainly a possibility. Yeah, I mean, that's what I watch for in the shorter term time frames. 4 hour, not enough data there in the 4 hour, especially in the bottom here to get any concise info. 4 hours a little bit oversold. I'm expecting this to move up. I don't think it has too much more downside to the bottom, but obviously if Bitcoin dumps, well, it could be coming back down too, you know? Let's see. Give us a safe moon chart. All right. We'll do safe moon real quick. If it's on here. I don't know if it is. I know it pumped a lot. Safe moon. Yeah. Tether. Safe moon. Oh! That's not safe moon. I was going to say, holy crap, man. That is not safe moon. But yeah, I don't have a safe moon chart, but I know it moved up pretty well. I know it moved up pretty well. So that's that. That is safe moon. Brandon's the best. What's up, Ryan? Feel bad for the news chasing the coin up 10,000% already. 10 million percent with the smart money are making gains off the hundreds of other Doge coins like Floki. Yeah, man. Floki. I was actually looking a little bit at Floki today, but I'm not going to do it. I was looking a little bit at Floki today. I was gonna throw some money in there, like a little bit, you know, not a lot, just some play money, you know. I was gonna throw some play money in there, like not a lot, like $50, you know, just to say screw it. But you know, the gas fee. I mean, I was looking at Ethereum. I mean, I was gonna do it real quick, and the gas fees was like it was like freaking $300 gas fees today. And I was like, screw that, bro. Screw that. That's not worth it. That is not worth it. Floki is the next moon coin. Yeah, seriously. Look at SHIB on USD. I'm not FOMOing into Floki. I'm not FOMOing. $1,000? CKB. Jordan's going on meme coins. I'm not actually going on meme coins. I'm not. I'm seeing what you guys say in the chat. Short the ship. He comes said WTF. Floki is real. They have NFT gaming. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Give us a safe moon chart. Cut the crap. Cut the crap. I know safe moon's moving up pretty well, so this is not the safe moon chart. Sato ETH killer in the fastest blockchain. ETH killer. I haven't heard that before.
Nope. Nope.
Ah, jeez. We got a new ETH killer. We got a new ETH killer. Ah, jeez. Jordan, ETH is going to 0. There's a new ETH killer. My shoe told me. My shoe told me today. My shoe is my best friend. Why do you think I'm so happy to get it back? Okay? My shoe. Guys, there's a new ETH killer. There's a new ETH killer. It's called Sato. You should definitely check it out. It's going to kill Ethereum. It's a great blockchain. It's a great blockchain. My shoe told me. See you guys. Oh, man. When I see ETH killer, that's what I'm picturing. I'm picturing Java telling me the ETH killer, man. Anyone that says ETH killer, I don't take seriously at all. But what's going on, Monica? I'm sure Sato is great. I don't know if there's a chart on here. I'm sure it's great, but calling it ETH killer is probably not going to happen. Sato, screw that, bro. Screw that. Look at those beautiful eyes. The shoe in your mouth. You have a nice fractal, said OSU. Thank you, man. My fractal is so beautiful. My fractal is great. Rant hard for BTC to pump, Jordan. Oh, I'll rant. Don't you worry. Don't you friggin' worry. Metalbug said WTF happened to the market this week. It's like I'm in a different dimension. Aren't we all, bro? We are all in a different dimension. But hey, at least Ethereum's going up, like we said. At least ETH is moving up in this other dimension, which is good. Which is good. At least we're getting some movement from ETH at the end of the day. Please analysis on ETH. We did ETH already, bud. We did ETH already. ETH has got no resistance really until it's highs, man. ETH has got no resistance, at least on the daily time frame. Get a couple wicks and crap, but you know, as far as true resistance, like there's not really anything until 43.71. And you're gonna reach that if Bitcoin can bounce here, if Bitcoin can continue this rise over the next couple of days, which I think it will, we're gonna see all-time highs for Ethereum. As long as Bitcoin can at least stay in the wedge, or obviously break to the upside, which I expect to happen. We'll see all-time highs for Ethereum over the course of the next couple of days, in my personal opinion. And then we'll have a little dance party and we'll have fun and be like, oh yeah, ETH all-time highs. Because they haven't, like, we've been waiting for a while, right? I mean, I remember back here, ETH was killing it back in May. Seems like so long ago. ETH was going freaking nuts. And now we're back. Now we're back. What exchanges do you recommend other than Binance and Coinbase? Qcoin's pretty good. Qcoin's pretty good. That would be definitely the first one I would recommend, for sure. The Q of the coin. Chris said Harmony 1. All right, let's check out Harmony 1. Let's frickin' see. ETH is going nuts. Again, it's trying to. 42.85 for ETH. I think right now it makes some sense. I think it makes sense to keep ETH's price up, personally, guys. I just think it makes sense to keep ETH up right here. Bitcoin's doing diddly squat. I mean, we have the daily close in 3 minutes. We'll check it out, but let me bring up Harmony 1 over here. Harmony 1. Voyager. Trust the plan B. Trust the plan B. All right, Harmony 1. What do we got? What do we got cooking here for Harmony? Well, we know we back tested perfectly today. We had a nice green candle back up to the upside. We're just looking to break this little level here, right? We're just looking to break, especially this previous daily candle here, which, I mean, this was perfect, right? I mean, you're in a bearish pattern that broke to the upside and confirmed it as support perfectly, right? So there's no reason to me to think it's not going to move up. You have no bearish diversions on the daily. I mean, there's nothing here that's like this isn't going to continue up, at least on the longer term time frame. Sure, shorter term time frames, there's still nothing there. You're bouncing off your 4-hour 20 EMA, freaking perfect. Look at ETH. ETH laughing dinosaur signal FOMOing now. You better freaking FOMO into ETH. If I don't see you guys FOMO into ETH right now, I'm going to be very upset. I'm just kidding. Don't FOMO into ETH. Don't FOMO into ETH. I'm not going to be going on the stream and FOMOing on stream here. You know, after a coin's already up 100 million %. I'm not going to be FOMOing into that on stream. All right, so that's Harmony. Nice bounce off the 20 EMA there. We'll see if this continues up, man. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't. And the next resistance would be upwards of 50 cents. The 50 cent psychological level at the 2.618 fib. Simple as that, bro. Simple as that. That's about it. Right? Yeah, dude, ETH is going nuts right now. It's beautiful. I mean, it's making my life great. It's making a lot of people's life great. ETH has done me very, very well. I have to say, out of any coin, yeah, I mean, I had more invested in ETH. I'd say out of any coin, ETH has probably made me the biggest gains in crypto. Just because it's not maybe not percentage wise, but money wise. Just because I had more invested in ETH than any coin in the bear market, actually, other than Bitcoin, obviously. So, I mean, ETH has been great to me, and I am willing to share my wife. If you guys want some of my wife, you can have some, okay? You can have some, all right? Seriously. Repeat. It's the daily close. It's the daily close. Where did we close? What the heck happened here? What was this? Bitcoin closed at, yeah, bullish engulfing candle, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect close for Bitcoin. Bullish engulfing. And where do we close there? I can't tell. Oops. We fix Java's liquidation price. There we go. A slight close below the 20 EMA. I mean, it's literally right on it. I don't know. It's slight close below it. Let's see if we can get back above it here. But I mean, that's you basically close right on it. I mean, it's slightly below. And then, yeah, man. I mean, there goes ETH again. 42.90. ETH's going up again, bro. ETH's going up again. There it is. Will we see ETH all-time highs tonight, man? Will we see ETH all-time highs tonight? I will pass out if it happens. I will pass out. Highest daily close of all time for Ethereum. If we do it tonight, I will pass out on stream. Okay? If you want to see me pass out on stream, you know what you have to do. You know what you have to do. All right. ETH 42.88. It was at like pushing 4,300 there for a second. I don't think it's done. Let's go back to BTC for a second. 67.34 for BTC. See what it's doing here. Yep, we reclaimed it. Reclaimed the 4-hour EMA. Let's see if we can get some upwards movement here for BTC. BT sizzle at the current moment, but Star is on Ethereum. Tonight is Ethereum show, guys. It's Ethereum show tonight. That's what it is. That's what it friggin' is. Doge is up about 2% today on the new day too. But it is Ethereum's time to shine. Can we get to all-time highs tonight? It's not terribly unrealistic. I mean, it's only approximately about, it's only a 1.7% move, right? So that's nothing, right? That can happen in 30 minutes. Not even. That could happen in 5 minutes. As we know with crypto. So let's see what happens, man. Let's see what freaking happens for ETH. Whoops, get rid of that. Back to BTC here. Get rid of these. There we go. All right. Let's see. Let's freaking see. Any chance you can check out OR token on CoinMarketCap? I got CoinGecko. I think I'm gonna switch to CoinGecko. I've heard it's better. OR token. There it is.
Can you tell me why is going
on CoinMarketCap? What's going on with this thing, man? Looks like it looks like. We zoom out a little bit as to all the data we have. I mean, it looks. I can't really see what's going on here, but it looks like it's could be some type of wedgie. Just based off this. I mean, you're making lower lows, lower highs, but looks like it's in the formation of a wedge. Just based off eye test. Obviously, I can't draw lines and stuff here, but that's what it looks like to me. And this could move up a little bit faster. Right? I mean, this could move up once again if yeah, I mean, this looks like if this can find support right here and bounce, you could have a W reversal and move back up, but obviously not a ton of data to go off of there. But yeah, OR token, man. OR freaking token. OR token. Matic is today Shiba. Yeah. Help, guys. Kindly tell we need lights on Matic. Lights on Matic. Matic. Let's check out Matic real quick. Matic's at 215. Holy majoli. I mean, we didn't break the highs that we were at earlier. If Matic can break this previous high, 218, we'll get pumped. We'll get pumped for Matic. But as of right now, it ain't doing it. It ain't cooking it. ETH, 4,300 for ETH. It just tapped 4,300, boys. Let's friggin' go. You guys better be getting amped as me, man. I am amped right now. And not the amp you're thinking of. We don't like that amp in here. the Amazon amp, right? The Amazon amp. We don't like that amp. We don't. Safe Moon. What's up, Silla? Hope you're doing good, man. Safe Moon, I know is doing pretty good. You can look it up on here real quick. Safe Moon. Yeah, Safe Moon I saw moved up pretty quick. Yeah, Safe Moon's going off, right? So, congrats whoever got in Safe Moon, man. Safe Moon's killing it right now. All the meme coins are killing it right now. And, you know, like I said, you'll have the Safe Moon people say, hey, it's not a meme coin. It's not a meme coin? It's not a meme coin? Then why is your nose so big? Why is your nose so big if it's not a meme coin? But it has a wallet! Just kidding. I've actually heard some pretty good things about Safe Moon. They're working on some other stuff behind the scenes, so I'm not going to comment on Safe Moon. I mean, I've heard they're doing some other stuff different than they were doing a couple months ago. So who knows? Safe Moon could be a pretty good project now. I haven't done my research on it, to be honest. So I'm more so just poking fun at the Safe Mooners at this point. 4,300, boys. 4,300s. This really feels like an alt season. Scam coin. CoinGecko has removed the meme tags. Nice, man. Nice, man. I feel like any like meme coin that people talk about, and like now it does something. Now everyone gets offended when everyone calls it a meme coin. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Let's see. Come on, ETH. Come on, ETH. Let's see. Check out the ADA weekly chart. The ADA weekly chart. We can do that. The ADA weekly chart. So this is the ADA weekly chart. I mean, it's just going down. I mean, kind of like we said, it's very similar to this price action over here, where it broke the previous high and then it was sort of struggling for like a month and a half, and then all of a sudden it moved back up. Right now, obviously, this one's been a little bit longer, but yeah. I mean, the weekly looks like a lot of different alts, right? A lot of different alts that weren't moving for months, right? Weren't moving for once. So, like I said, I mean, you don't have to hold ADA. I will, all right? Someday it'll move, and I'll be happy that I held. I mean, I'm not really in any hurry, personally. Can you please check out ERG? ERG. Let's see what's going on with ERG from Crypto and Tech Guy. I like the name, man. Crypto and Tech Guy. It's very like sort of like Crypto and Tech Guy. I don't know. It's very how would I call it? How would I describe it? Very technically sound, I guess is the right word, right? Crypto and Tech Guy. Pretty nice. But it looks like this is in a long-term wedgie, right? Longer-term wedgie. You're talking about a 2-month wedgie here. A 2-month wedgie that, at some point should break to the upside, right? At some point should break to the upside. Will this be the time that it does it? Let's see. You got the 786. Yep, you just went to the 786 and attempted got a bounce there. Let's see, right? Let's see if this is the moment that can push you higher, right? The daily got a little bit oversold. This would make it for an area of sense. If this doesn't hold, well, nothing really to down here. So you definitely want to hold that for Ergo if you can. Well, the target's all the way back up here at 19 bucks. Not going to happen overnight, but ultimately, this is what you're watching for. Ultimately. Matic, man. 220 coming from Matic, bro. I'm blurry. Baby. Let's friggin' go. All right. Ecoms wanted Algo. We'll check out Algo quick. Guys, I mean, at this point, Matic is going to at least 225 at this point. I mean, there's no resistance at these levels here. It's going to 225. It's going to 225. So I don't think this is done at this current moment. Matic is just, Matic is going nuts. Matic is going nuts. Matic is going Matic. Exactly. All right, let's do Algo for Ecoms. Algo. Right here. And yeah, I mean, it broke out of the symmetrical triangle, back tested. Had a nice day yesterday. You're just trying to get the juice, right? It's all about the buy orders coming in and pushing this up higher, which I do think it will. It's just a matter of time before it happens. I mean, you got the breakout, what you wanted. You got the back test, what you wanted. Now you just need the upwards movement. Let's see. Daily EMA ribbons right here, too. I'm expecting this to go up. I mean, everything's pointing to this. The back test, daily EMA ribbons right here. I don't see it going lower than this. So I'm expecting this to move up. Especially because I'm expecting Bitcoin to move up. I'm expecting Algo to come back up and test 205 at the very least over the course of the next couple of days, in my opinion. Nothing's really screaming at me like, oh, it's not going to do it. Nothing at all. Nothing at freaking all. And yeah, it was a nice back test of the 618 too on that back test. So that's I'm not expecting that to go any lower than this. Obviously, this candle here. Personally, expecting 205. Thoughts on Satine? Monoko and Luffy may need to see chart and CMC if TradingView doesn't have them. I'll do one of them, man. I'll do one of them, man. One of them per message. Let's see. Guess we'll do the Satama Inu, bruh. Are these meme coins, bro? These are Inus, bro. Guys, we're not looking at any Inus besides Shiba. Okay, no Inus besides Shiba. The reason is because not because they're not going to go up. They probably will, but there's no point in doing TA. Right? There's no point in doing TA or even looking at the charts of some of these coins. They're going to move up when they want to. They're going to move down when they want to. You know, so there's not really a point in looking at, you know, Kakuku Inu, Kakaka Inu, Water Bottle Inu, Light Inu, Speaker Inu, right? Nike Inu, you know, Candle on my desk Inu, Baseball Inu, right? Plant Inu, Watch Inu. There's no point in doing TA on these. There's none.
Rant alert.
Let's see. XLM, please. All right, let's do XLM. We'll do XLM right here. XLM for Njada. Njaya. Matic, brother. Matic's 218. Yeah, we literally just looked at Matic. We literally just looked at Matic like 2 seconds ago. It's at a lower price than it was 2 seconds ago. It was at 220 earlier. All right, so XLM. Could you be forming like, I'm usually not a big fan of XLM, but could you be forming like a big inverse head and shoulders here on the daily? You definitely could. You definitely could. Left shoulder, head, and if this can round out here, right, and come back up, could have a nice right shoulder, right? I didn't see Water Bottle Inu. Nice. All right, so this could, I mean, in theory, if this breaks the neckline, I mean, it's probably beautiful. It's actually a really beautiful inverse head and shoulders if it can get up there and break. You might be cooking some dinner tonight with some XLM. You know, this would be a logical area for you to bounce. Let's bring up swing low to swing high. Perfect wick off the golden pocket. Perfect wick off the golden pocket right here. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I mean, this makes an sense area for you to round out. You don't have to do it on this candle. You could certainly, you know, round out like this. But yeah, man, XLM has a good setup there. It's just a matter of time for XLM, man. As we know, XLM does nothing for a while, and then it has a big pump. Usually that's how XLM works. We'll see if it continues to work that way. You know. Kaka Inu? Kaka Inu? There's so many Inus, bro. I mean, they're all the charts are going to look the same. They're all going to be like big green dildos to the upside like this, you know? Army said, Jordan, make me a mod and you'll never see word Inu again. I don't want to ban the Inus, right? I mean, I don't mind the Inus. I don't mind the Inus. I really don't. A lot of people get annoyed by the Inus. Like, a lot of people get annoyed by the Inus. If you get annoyed by the Inus in the chat, raise your hand. Probably gonna be a lot of people raising their hand. And then there's some people that love the Inus, right? You love the Inus and you hate the Inus. Boo boo Inu. All right, XLM, SHIB, FTM. We did SHIB. SHIB is what is SHIB doing? SHIB's being SHIB, right? Just super volatile. You're gonna have your ups, you're gonna have your downs, right? You're gonna have your ups, you're gonna have your downs. I still think SHIB continues up. Now, was like we said, was the other day that a lot of people were buying yesterday. I mean, was yesterday the best time to buy Shiba? No. You'll still probably end up at some point. I think so. I think Shiba's going to continue up. But, you know, was yesterday the best time to buy? No, that's what I was trying to tell people yesterday. I was like, guys, FOMO is never good. You know, could have waited till today. Could have waited for today, and you could have bought at a 30% discount. But it is what it is. It is what it freaking is. You know, that's what I was trying to tell people today, and people were like, "Oh, you're hating." It's like, no, I'm just trying to get people not to FOMO. You know, there's some other people out there telling people to FOMO into Shiba, which I don't necessarily agree with. I don't think that's, you know, you guys get my point. You guys get my point. We're not going to go into that. But Shiba's going to continue up, bro. Shiba's not done. As long as Bitcoin's in a bullish market, Shiba is going to continue up. I'll tell you that right now. All right. So let's see. ETH just I can't get my eyes off ETH. She's just looking so sexy right now. She's looking so freaking sexy right now. I do have to say. Why are you chilling, Shib? Let's see. Bear, what is patience? Shiba Doge. FTM. Let's look at FTM. Phantom. Phantom's a very, very popular coin right now, man. People love Phantom. They're like, Jordan, why are you not looking at Phantom, bro? Right? Every time. Everyone in the chat's always like, Jordan. No, it's usually XRP, but people are always like, Jordan never talks about Phantom. He always ignores me in the chat. He always ignores me. He always talks about Bitcoin and ETH, and that's it. He always ignores Phantom. He always ignores me in the chat, bro. Like, why is he ignoring me? Phantom. 10 seconds later. Phantom. 10 seconds later. Phantom. 10 seconds later. Jordan, Phantom. 10 seconds later. FTM. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's too funny. All right. So Phantom, what did we say the other day? Phantom. Let's see. Get a nice pullback. You could be making some bullish div off the 4-hour EMA every single time. You have a higher lows on the RSI. Sorry, higher lows on price action, lower lows on the RSI. And that's what you're looking at right now. So you could have some bullish divergence there on the 4-hour RSI, which should push you back up. You had a nice little dip here. Nice little dip. It's actually a decent size dip there, about 16% to the downside. Allowed it to cool off a little bit, and hopefully you can get some juice to continue up there. But it is what it is. It is what it is. But it is what it is. But that's FTM, right? That's FTM. FTM, I see continuing up, bro. You know, I don't see any reason this is going to stop. Personally. Did you... Hold on, let me adjust. We're going to adjust my lines like savvy. What we're doing, we're adjusting all my lines. That's what I do. I mean, it looks like a back test too. I mean, this wedge. 1 back test, 2 back tests. Now, can you get the juice to continue up higher? That's ultimately the question there. They just have a lot of support and bullish divergence there in Phantom, which should, in theory, push you up higher. In theory, right? It's always in theory. I see a double top. It's on the 4-hour, man. I mean, the 4-hour is the 4-hour. You know, it's not really that big of a deal. Let's see. Feel bad for the noobs chasing a coin up 10 million% already, while the smart money are taking profits off the hundreds of other dog coins like Floki. Yeah, I mean, pretty much, man. Pretty much, Ryan. You summed it up, dude. Super Doge. Jordan hurts a lot of feelings. I do hurt a lot of feelings, man. I do. Guys, if I ever pick on you in the chat, I'm just totally kidding, man. Don't, it's guys. Can we rewind like 20 years where everyone's not so sensitive? Please, can we take some jokes, okay? I get trolled on my stream every day, but I come here every day. I don't really care, okay? Take the troll, suck it up, okay, and move on. All right, we're all grown-ups here. We're all freaking grown-ups here. Can we go back to, the early 2000s? Can we get out of 2021 where everyone's just so damn sensitive? Please. Please.
Rant alert.
Please. Jeez. Super Doge with the $10 super chats. Not sure I'm not sure if it's a super sticker or super Doge, but appreciate you, man. Appreciate it. L-Man said Ave, please. Let's check out Ave. Ave, Key said I'm hurt. Nice, dude. All right, Ave. Ave. You don't have any feelings? I don't have any feelings, bro. I have no feelings. All right, let's see. So, Ave's looking. Ave's, dude, this is the ultimate stablecoin, bro. This is more of a stablecoin than AMP. Holy crap, I didn't even notice how much of a stablecoin Ave is. Holy crap, man. Right? Look at Ave. Holy crap, man. This is the ultimate stablecoin. And I own Ave. I'm not hating, because I own it. This thing is at the same price it was on February 22nd. After a big run up. Ah, man. Ave. It tried to break out the other day. It just got rejected and came right back down and closed right below it. But you can see here that, the floor is coming up. The floor is coming up. You got to expect to move somewhere soon. The price is definitely contracting here for a move. It's only a matter of time. Look at this. You tried to break out and then think you came right back in. You came right back in, man. Ave. Freaking crazy. I missed the callouts. Stop ignoring engine. I'm not ignoring it. All right, Ave. Yeah, you got to expect at some point this breakout. It tried to, it just didn't. Above the daily EMA ribbon, what's going to happen here, I think this is going to move up and you're going to get squeezed in between these two levels, and I think this will actually push you up. It looks like the momentum wants to go up. It's just a matter of will it. RSI levels, not really telling you much there on the daily, to be honest. Not really telling you much at all. 4 hour on this guy. Look at that, man. Yeah, this is nothing there, dude. Nothing there.
Awesome. Your name.
Mana's alive, finally. Ah, geez. Another coin that I own that hasn't really moved. That's awesome, man. We'll check out Mana. All right, all the engine guys are getting pissed at me. So let's check out engine. All the engine guys are getting pissed at me in the chat. So for them, we will look at engine. Okay, for you guys. Engine number 9 on the New York panel line. Back it up. 246 for engine, bro. Wow, engine's doing good. Congrats, guys. I didn't short engine, so I don't give a crap that it's going up. Wow. Congrats, guys. 250 on engine. Holy moly. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm such in a good mood because I still have my shoe. I might get liquidated tomorrow, but I still have my shoe, guys. But wanted to congrat all you guys on engine. See you. All right, just a little Java. 249 on engine though. The next resistance for engine is nothing until really up here towards 282. 282, right? It's looking really good. Looking really freaking good. Let's see. You gotta look at these charts outside on a beautiful view. How you do it. on that beautiful view. Yeah, but yeah, 250. I mean, this is going to 282, right? I mean, the daily RSI is at like an 80. You've gone a lot higher. I mean, you've gone up to a 90 in the past. I don't see this being done right now, unless Bitcoin craps the bed. I mean, that's always how it is, unless Bitcoin craps the bed. What's up, Gwilly? Just got here. Can we pump now? Gwilly, we're waiting on you, man. Now you're here, and now we're gonna start pumping just because Gwilly got it. You know? You're saying invest my whole entire account there? Probably not, man. Probably not, bro. I mean, yeah, I mean the 4 hour you might be making some bearish div, but if you can get a little bit higher here, you're gonna be good, man. You're gonna be freaking good. Doge tattoo coming soon. Outside of the woods. I already broke the Doge tattoo curse. I don't have to get the Dogecoin tattoo anymore. You know, so you know what, bro? I don't have to get it anymore. So screw you. Just kidding. But we are out of the woods. We did get out of the woods. Now we're back in the woods a little bit. It's like we got out of the woods and then a bear was like, we were getting out. We were going, I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. Oh! And then we fell back into the woods, and now we're back in the woods. But we were so close to getting out of the woods, but we're back in now. We're back in. I think we're gonna get back out. You know, you just dab it as an insult. I did. Bruh. Link. Let's see. I don't think it's pumping right now. That's engine. But yeah, no Dogecoin tattoo. We already broke all-time highs, so I'm done. I am done on that one, boy. I'm done. Don't quit your day job. Did you kiss your date with those lips? Jabba did, yeah. Jabba did. You can't take my shoe away. Jabba, go. I have to do that again, bro. The Jabba remix. Ready? You can't take my shoe away. That's some good stuff. You guys make me laugh so freaking hard on this stream, man. Man, I love freaking being here every day. You guys make me laugh so freaking much. All right, XTZ. We'll look at Link in a second. All right. All right. All right. One hit wonder. All right. Come on, Jordan. You get back into it. You can't take my shoe away. All right. XTZ. XT Zizzle. What do we got going on here? Man, I mean, XT Zizzle. I mean, are we trying to make some type of channel here? There's only 2 touches on the top side, but I mean, you can see 4 touches on the bottom side, 2 touches on the top side, and you're looking really good. You're looking really good for a potential move, at least back up to test the top of the channel. You know, I mean, you had you're oversold in the daily there. There's some bullish div there in the daily. Yeah, I mean, I think this bounces back to test. You might go like, not like a pump up, but you might just kind of go like this and test the top, and hopefully this can be the time where you can break out. I wouldn't quite call this a bull flag. It's went a little bit too low to call it a bull flag. It's like almost went down to the previous low down here. So it's basically just a channel, and you're basically just waiting for the breakout on some of the smaller term time frames here. That's really the gist of it. Hourly, Inverse head and shoulders action going on. I think so. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Just breaks this neckline here. You're looking good. You're looking real good for potential move back up. Real good. As long as Bitcoin doesn't crap the bed, obviously, right? As long as Bitcoin doesn't crap the bed, that's always, always, always the name of the game with these alts. Can you tell me why FTM is going down? Backtest, man. It went up really fast. We talked about it a little bit earlier, but we went up really fast, and now it's just consolidating back down and retesting some previous resistance levels, right? That's all. That's all. Java short of the power bill. Jordan, didn't you say you were gonna look at mana? I did, didn't I? Let's look at mana. Mana. Holy majoli. Go to the daily on this. Yeah, I'll give you a pump song for mana. Why not? Bugs Bunny. I love Bugs Bunny, man. All right. So, yeah, mana looks like it broke this downtrend of resistance, and now it's cooking to the upside. The daily RSI is looking juicy for a higher run to the upside. Okay? So that's looking really, really good. Starbucks said you can thank Zuck for the pups on mana and sand. Oh, yes, I can. Thank you, Zuck. Thank you, Zuck. But yeah, I mean, mana's looking juicy for more run to the upside. Yeah, the 4 hours getting a little bit up there. You might maybe come back down, and I mean, depends how. I mean, you got some bullish news, so you maybe not. You actually went up exactly as I predicted. Just kidding, not as I predicted. But you know, you went exactly up to $1 psychological resistance. So this could maybe come back down, back test, and continue up, especially with the 4 hour getting a little bit up there. And I'm assuming the hourly's up there too. Yeah, the hourly was at like a 90. You've already pulled back the hourly though. It actually looks like the hourly already came back down to back test. Right, look at that. Boop, boop, and you came right back up to boop it again. So, mana, you already back tested on the hourly. It might just continue up here. You know, if it can smash $1, mana's looking juicy. Looking real juicy. At least come back up and test 110, where you should get some resistance here at 110, where you have a previous peak. In theory, right? In theory. Ah, man. ETH. Come on, baby. You gonna wait till after the stream? I know you are. I know you are, baby. I FOMO'd in mana, but I wanted to buy it anyways. Hey, it is what it is, man. You live and learn with your own decisions. It is what it freaking is. That's what we like to say. Mama said, can you tell me why FTM is going down? We did that. Did FTM and SHIB. Nacho Fiat says, been AVAX, please. Getting trash left and right. And who you got in the game cards? Game cards or pack? The game cards or pack? Oh, Cardinals or Packers. I was like, game cards or... I don't know why I was reading it like game cards or packs. I think it's because you put the G capital. Confused me a little bit. Cardinals or Packers? I'm getting Cardinals, man. I'm taking Cardinals all day. All day. Not even a shot. I think the pack is good too. The Packers. But, yeah, man. That would be my pick there. It depends. I don't know who's home. Who's home? Cardinals or Packers? That probably has a lot to do with it. The home team probably has an advantage there. Obviously. All right, AVAX. I think it's fine, man. I think it's fine. You broke this downtrend of resistance, and it does the typical thing, which you normally do when you break downtrend of resistance, right? Downtrend of resistance, you break it to the upside. You always want to come back down and back test, which it did, right? It back tested the breakout. And now it's trying to get the juice to continue up. So, here's the point where if you have the buy pressure, it should continue up. Nothing really there in the daily 4 hour. Yeah, nothing really there on the 4 hour, to be honest, either, man. So you're sort of just waiting on that. Hourly, kind of just flatlining on the hourly too, which is interesting. Definitely interesting. Yeah, man. That's probably what we're watching there. The daily just looks like the back test and it wants to get some juice back to the upside, right? At the end of the day. That's ultimately what you're waiting there for, AVAX. What's up, Tyler? Get wrecked, cheeseheads. He said, get wrecked, cheeseheads. That's crazy. Get wrecked, cheeseheads. I like the cheeseheads, man. The cheeseheads are pretty cool. AVAX, how about UFO? Said uneven cheesehead. Uneven cheesehead. We actually have a cheesehead in the chat. His name is Unheaded Cheesehead. Or Uneven Cheesehead. UFO. Let's see. UFO is not on here, man. We can take a quick look over here, I guess. UFO gaming. Yeah, man, this thing looks like it's going nuts, man. Looks like it is going nutburger. So looks like it did like a 80% move in a day, right? So there's not much you can look at with there. I mean, that thing's going to be in price discovery, man. That thing's going to be in pure price discovery. But yeah, I mean, that's UFO gaming. Pretty good, man. At least on CoinGecko. It's not on TradingView, so I can't look at it, unfortunately. Check out Kaka Inu. No Kaka Inu. The only Kaka we'll listen to here is this. I'm done. That's the only cock I'll listen to. After Biden killed my portfolio, I switched to crypto and found your stream. I've learned a lot of TA from watching the stream. Keep up the great work, bro. Thank you, Crypto Scotty. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for hanging out. Stop. Poo-poo, you know. Sup with ADA? Thoughts, mate? I'm not gonna spend too much time on ADA, man. ADA will move when it wants to. It's just kind of stuck around this like $2 $2.10 range. ADA's gonna be ADA, right? ADA's gonna be ADA. It's. I know it's. Let's be honest. I mean, it's been a stable coin lately. I'm gonna have patience with it. Holy. And then it pulls back in. So come on. Come on, ETH. Come on, ETH. And it pulls back. It was at 4,300 for a little bit, though. 4,300 for a little bit. Looking pretty good. Shake it, bro. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. It's awesome that because Facebook announced they're changing the name to Metaverse, that Decentraland and Sandbox pumped. Mana is freaking alive. Thank you. Right? Mana is no longer, okay, as we like to say, Mana is no longer in a dead holy, I thought I was dead. Bat bounce, right? Man is no longer in a dead cat bounce. Great stuff. Great stuff. We looked at man already, though. Engine. What's up, En? Appreciate super chat, man. Keith said, can you say hello to Harper Covey? She's 7 and learning crypto from you. Hello, Harper Covey. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're learning crypto. You know, your dad's always here, or your uncle. Who, I mean, I'm not sure who Keith is. Dad, uncle, grandpa, I'm not sure. But yeah, Keith is awesome. And what's going on, Harper? Hope you're doing good. You didn't see anything. You didn't see Jabba do anything 10 minutes ago, okay? Don't do that stuff at home. Don't do that stuff at home, okay? Popcorn Whisperer said Ragnar Lothbrok. Please share target for Playdap. Playdap. Look at Playdap, man. I think that's the right thing. Playdap is on here. Let's see if there's a chart on this that we can look at. Let's go to 90 days, 180 days. Yeah, it doesn't give me enough data, man. I can't really do much with this. You know, it can't really do much with this. Let's see. Yeah, there's not much I can do with this, man. So, unfortunately, I can't do much with that chart, you know? I wish I could. You know, I wish I could just be a magician here. Right? I wish I could just have a crystal ball and be like, I don't need no chart. I wish I was plan B, right? And I just whipped out a crystal ball and I go, oh, the price for Playdap will 2x in the next 3 days. It will, according to plan B, right? Unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball, and, you know, I do have 2 balls. But I don't have a crystal ball, okay? I don't have a crystal ball. All right, ETH pushing 4,300 again. Can ETH sustain 4,300? That is the question. Marcus said, hey, homie, can you look at Flow? Only NFT I'm in? Sure. Look at Flow before we hopefully see Ethereum pump a little bit here. Let's see. Flow. Holy jolly. Dogelon Mars coin? Yeah. Did you have diamond balls? Yes, no nib. I have diamond balls. ETH is breaking out. We'll look at Flow real quick. Flow, yeah, I mean, this looks like a good setup for reversal, man. Bullish divergence here in the daily. And it looks like if you can get back over this daily EMA ribbon, which it looks like you might have the juice for, Flow could smack this and get a nice move to the upside. Seriously. I mean, Flow, you already broke this downtrend of resistance. I mean, Flow looks good for a move back up to at least up here, if you can break the daily EMA. But, oh my, 43.23, baby. ETH is going to break all-time highs tonight. ETH is going to break all-time highs tonight. I am very confident in ETH breaking all-time highs tonight. Very, very confident right now. Why? The reason why is here, and hear me out. The reason why is if the daily RSI was super overbought, I'd be like, all right, maybe we don't do it tonight. The fact that the daily RSI is still down here to 60 leads me to believe that ETH has a lot of momentum to continue higher here. 43.28. We're coming up on that high, man. Let's go to the hourly. We can zoom in a little bit more. But yeah, ETH right here, 43.71 is the previous high. It's a little bit higher. Right about right there. 43.72. But that's it, man. We're going there. We're going there for ETH. Look at ETH right now, bro. ETH is dead.
ETH is dead. But ETH is dead. Oh, ETH is dead.
Nope. 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 Nope.
43.31. Let's freaking go. Go full screen. Bitcoin's trying to move too. Bitcoin is trying to move as well. So let's move that over there. Yeah, but Bitcoin and ETH look good, man. What's up, Drunk Bear? I hope ETH crash and need some NFT. Nice, bro. Did we have the highest daily close of all time today? We did. We did. We had the highest daily close of all time tonight for Ethereum, right? The highest daily close of all time tonight for Ethereum, which is great, right? We just did it the other day, but we did it again today, which is absolutely great. Absolutely great. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Facts. Let's hit up those likes, guys. Let's hit up those freaking likes. We got Bitcoin pushing past 61,000 right now, and we got Ethereum pushing 4340 right now. Let's spam those freaking likes, boys. Guys, it's about time to bring out the pickle, man. It's about time we bring out the pickle. It's getting close, man. Look at ETH. Look at ETH. We're getting there, boys. We are getting there. Slowly but surely, we're about... we are about 0.68%. 0.68%. Of course, it can't be 0.69. Why can't we just make it 0.69 at this point? But we're about 0.68% away from the previous all-time high for Ethereum. We could be making history tonight. We could be making history tonight. This is exciting, man. This is real freaking exciting, man. Let's freaking get it, boys. Let's freaking get it. Let me actually change this to Bitcoin and Ethereum all-time high. Watch. Bitcoin and Ethereum all-time. Oh, wait. Bitcoin and Ethereum. What the heck did I just say? There we go. Bitcoin and Ethereum all-time high watch. We changed the title real quick. 43.46, guys. 43.46. We are making our way downtown. As Bob would say, man. I mean, this is what we're watching right now, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. Boys, we can do it. Let's push to the end line, guys. You know what this means. You know what this means, guys. I need everyone in the chat right now. This is the most important war that we've ever fighting. I need everyone. Don't put the pickles in the chat. We don't need pickles for this war. We are going out alive. And we will break the all-time highs for Ethereum tonight on stream. We don't want to do it after the stream. We want to do it during the stream. So get your swords. Get your shields. If you can't find the sword emoji, all right, spam the sword emoji. If you can't find it, type swords and shields in the chat right now. We are breaking this freaking high, and we are slaughtering all the Ethereum bears. We are liquidating all the Ethereum bears tonight on the stream. We will take back the land that is rightfully ours, and we will not look back and have no pity on doing this to the Ethereum bears. We will smash their heads into the ground, kick them in the nuts, and leave no names. Oh, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. 43, 44 for ETH. Let's freaking go. Man, it just mooned over $1. Nice, bro. I mean, we're watching ETH right now. This is going to be Ethereum. This is going to be history for Ethereum, right? This is going to be literally history if this plays out, bro. You know? 43, 48. We're going nuts. I'm going to pound one out. Space all-time high. Nice, dude. We're getting there, dude. We are getting there. I think everyone's going to have some fun tonight. 0.5%. We're 0.5% away from all-time highs, guys. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you press that freaking subscribe button. We're hitting 57K this weekend. We are hitting 57K this weekend. Okay? We will freaking do it, whether you like it or not. Especially if ETH is going to go nuts like this. Especially if Bitcoin is going to go nuts like this. Let's go. You said you will pass out on the stream if we... Oh, yep, I will pass out. If ETH breaks all-time highs, I will pass out on stream. Okay, and it'll be the best pass out you've ever seen. It'll be me passing out in happiness. Literally, bro. I mean, it's been a while since ETH broke all-time highs. It's been since May, right there. Right, no, actually October. Actually, is that? Hold on, let me go back in time here. Oh, that's the May. That's the May high. We're looking up here. 43.82. My bad. I was looking at I thought that was the May high. We're looking at 43.81 approximately. My bad. I was looking at the October high. I was like, what the heck's going on here, bro? I was like, that's definitely not the high. No way. Go back in time. Holy crap, this is taking a while. It's probably the most efficient way to do this. All right. Making our way downtown. There we go. And we're back. There we go. That's a bouncy cat. Don't pass out. We need our lead Viking. If we win the war, I will pass out. Because then you won't need me anymore. You won't need me anymore. Seriously. You think it was dumb for me to sell my long position at 4,300%? Should I just wait to rejoin? It's up to you, man. I mean, I am not selling my ETH. At least not yet. At least not freaking yet. I'll start taking profits at some point. I haven't yet. But I have my targets I'm going to take profits at. And they haven't hit yet. All right, 43.50. 43.50. Ethereum's dead, guys. Ethereum is freaking dead. I'm not actually dead, guys. I'm just playing dead. Oh! Another dream of another coin that was dead. And it's not. Who the frick knew? Some patience. Some patience is all it takes. All right, 43, 49. Come on, ETH. Algo's trying to bounce too. I have no idea what he's actually called. Someone has something on the Bank of Canada guy. You guys can probably find it. But I have no idea what he's called, to be honest with you, man. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you one bit. Algo. If Algo's trying to get back over the 4-hour EMA ribbon, if it can, Algo's looking prime for a move back up too. I'd say to probably a back up to at least 194 for Algo too. Algo's looking juicy. Go back to Bitcoin and ETH. Where's Bitcoin in our wedge? All right, guys, we're coming up. So not only is ETH coming up close to its all-time highs, you got Bitcoin making its way back up to the top of the wedge, guys. I mean, this could be. I mean, we don't know what's going to happen here, but could be an exciting next couple hours if we can continue this run here. All right, it could be. Could be Bitcoin breaking out of the wedge. Could be Ethereum pushing all-time highs. It could be pretty freaking exciting here very, very soon. Very, very soon. If this continues, bro. Bitcoin is, to break out of the wedge right now, we need to break about 61,430 approximately. But we're getting there.
Jordan, look at
Let's see. Jordan, look at the Bitcoin September dip on the 4 hour. It's a fractal for the dip. We are now at 1H. Yeah, I think we looked at that the other day, didn't we? I think we looked at that the other day, and it was very, very similar. Very, very similar. Let's actually take the dip from here over just to the breakout, whatever. Just obviously at a shorter term time frame. Let's do one of these. Let's shrink this a little bit. Looked at this yesterday, but yeah, it was pretty legit, man. It was pretty freaking legit. Took me a while to to get it fitted, but yeah, I mean, maybe we could do this, right? But it looks like Bitcoin's trying to break out as we speak. Maybe we could get rejected here one more time and then come back down and sort of build a base and then move up. Certainly. But we shall see. We shall see. We'll see what Bitcoin does here. Bitcoin is right at the wedge, bro. There it is, bro. Come on, man. Liquidate Java. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. ETH is getting up there. Here comes Bitcoin too.
Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Let's freaking get busy. Let's freaking get busy, guys. I mean, it's about where we're at right now. Initial rejection. Let's see what happens. Moon helmet. Oh, I need the moon helmet, so no name. No name asks for the moon helmet. The moon helmet goes on. That's the way this works, yeah. There we go. Can you show Java getting scared of getting liquidated? Sure, we can go see Java for a second. Let's go see. No! 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 This looks like such a good trade. I'm gonna get liquidated again. Please. Please, Bitcoin, go down. Savvy told me Bitcoin was going to 53,000. Savvy! Frickin' Savvy! You gotta be kidding me. I keep listening to this frickin' guy. I should have known. He's always so miserable. Why do I keep listening to miserable frickin' people like Savvy? I'm scared. Mom. I keep listening to Savvy sell you waves, and he's always wrong. He's wrong every time. No.
Let's jump to the Bitcoin show.
I'm done. All right. Bitcoin's right there. ETH is chilling. A little bit of a, it's the 1 hour. Coming down a little bit for ETH. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see. I think we'll bounce back though. I don't see this lasting too long personally. My last shoe. He's gonna leave his shoe, bro. He's gonna leave his shoe. He's gonna change his name to Elliot. Alright. Let's see. Alright, come on, BTC. 61,430. Come on, man. What do I type to find the Bank of Canada meme guy? I'm not sure, man. If you join the Discord down below, there's probably someone that could help you find him, man. I can't even figure out what I would find him. I don't know. Type in Bitcoin sucks. I don't know. Bitcoin sucks. Bitcoin's a scam. I don't know. Something like that. 61,390 for BTC at the current moment. That's a clickbait name. He does have a clickbait name. He's very savvy, though. He's very, very savvy. He's been killing it. Yeah, I mean, if anyone's been savvy, trust me, it's been savvy. Man. Bitcoin's looking pretty good in the daily, though. All right, we had the bullish engulfing. Look like we're getting some continuation to the upside. Looking pretty good, man. It's looking pretty good. We just need to get that breakout now. You know? Just need to get that breakout. There's always a possibility of like getting rejected here and coming back down again and going to doing one of these and then breaking out, just like we did in this last one down here. Right? And we kind of went sideways for a little bit and then broke out. But yeah, let's figure it out. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do here. That is thy question. Looks like his basement. Meta the ETH of making money. Yep. That's true. What's up? Yeah, thanks for becoming a Jordano-enu Gold member, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out. As always, if you guys want to become a member, you guys can press that join button down below. There's also a little link down there that says become a Jordano-enu member. You guys can get a little Viking next to your name. And we have Saturday morning members only streams if you guys want to join. Go right ahead. If you don't, whatever, man. Whatever. I appreciate all you guys that do, though. All right. So, yeah, man, we're watching Bitcoin and ETH on the new hourly start to pull back a little bit, but I don't think it's done. I don't think it's done tonight. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, all have room to run up if it so wants to. So I don't think it's done. Not at all. Not a freaking all. Sergio, that was really nice of you, man. Sergio said, wishing everyone all the best, regardless of what coins you're in. Let's make all that bread, right? Facts, bro. Freaking facts. That's nice of you, man. That's really nice of you. Yeah, man. I hope everyone makes money. I mean, sometimes we troll some coins, right? But I don't mean that. I want those coins to go down. More so just a joke, you know? More so just a joke. 43.51 for ETH and Bitcoin chilling right below resistance. So that's what we're watching right now. Guys, if you're just joining the stream now, appreciate you. 2 green pickles in a row on your wife. Yep, and it's about to be a 4th one, man. ETH's not done. Here comes ETH again. ETH's not done, bro. Here comes ETH. 43.60. He's trying to go again. 43.60 for ETH. Just ship. Just ship. I'm not in profit on ETH yet. Not in profit on ETH. Would you buy ETH at the exact top, Viper? Jeez. I've done that before, so it's all good, man. 43.62. There you go. ETH 43.66. I'm gonna pass out. That's why I have my hood on right now, because I'm about to pass out. So I want some cushion on my head when I pass out. Yeah, I'm not a safe mooner. We looked at it a little bit earlier, man. Congrats if you're in safe moon, dude. Congrats. Seriously. Hope you're making money with it. But all eyes are on ETH right now. All eyes are on ETH. I'm gonna pass out. That's why I have my hood on, guys. In case you didn't know. That's why I haven't. Hold on. 4369. It's a good number. It's a good friggin' number. Man. I got to brace for this. I got to brace for this, man. 4370. We're right there, bro. We are right freaking there. Holy crap, man. We're gonna do it. We're actually gonna do it. We actually might do it. You know? We actually do it. This is nuts. We're almost there. My average on ETH is 1800. I'm dancing. Nice, bro. Let's freaking go. If ETH gets all-time high, I'm definitely getting some cheeks today. Yeah, man. I mean, if ETH breaks all-time highs tonight, I might go get some drinks after the stream. I'm not gonna lie, man. I know it's Thursday. Oh! Oh! We did it for a second. We did it for a second, and we're back. I'm alive again. I'm alive again. Man, that was a good, 2 seconds there. That was a great 2 seconds, but we did it, guys. We did it. We got rejected a little bit, but we did it. We freaking did it. Let's freaking go. Colin Medicky's down. We're going back up, though. Look at that. We're going right back up to test it again. Let's see. Let's see. And there it is. There it is again. ETH is dead. Hey guys, I have a secret for you. I have a secret for you. ETH isn't dead. ETH isn't dead. Thought you died? No, I didn't die. Alright, so that is that, man. Now we gotta see if ETH can get back over it and confirm. Yeah, get back over it and confirm. But that's my question, man. Can we do it? Hold the line. Alright, Bitcoin's chilling. Link is up 2%, which is pretty good. Not bad. Not freaking bad myself. Let's see. Is this all the SHIB money? Is this SHIB money going into ETH? Could be. Could be some SHIB money going into ETH. Maybe it's not. Who knows? Maybe it's just new money coming into ETH, which I'll be cool with, man. If you get me some FOMO on ETH, if ETH can get some FOMO, holy tamale, your boy right here will be a happy man. Holy tamale. Here comes Bit. Here go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it. We freaking did it. We freaking did it. Bruh. Friggin' go. In ETH, what we know about ETH is when ETH moves, we usually see Bitcoin follow it up very, very shortly after. Okay? So, I think ETH is the star of the show right now. You could see Bitcoin breaking out shortly after this too. But we're in a bear market. Remember, guys, we are in a bear market. Okay? The number 2 market cap coin just break all-time highs. But guess what? We're in a bear market. Didn't you know? Didn't you know that we're in a bear market? The number 2 altcoin the number 1 altcoin just broke all-time highs. Seems legit. Seems legit. We're in a bear market, right? We're in a bear market. What's up, G's Crypto? I started my own in Spanish. Yeah, sure, man. Holy moly, man. Keeps going, dude. Keeps freaking going. This is after weeks and weeks and weeks of no price in action on stream. This makes it even sweeter. This makes it even sweeter to see my wife, my favorite altcoin, and not even my favorite altcoin. I like ETH more than Bitcoin. My favorite coin, breaking all-time highs on stream today, just made it that much freaking sweeter. And it keeps going. 43.91. It keeps going, man. Even sweeter. Cementing as my number one. Yeah, I mean, ETH at this point is my number one holding. I mean, it's especially after today, it's definitely my number one holding. That's for sure. That's for freaking sure. Selling ETH to buy SHIB. Good luck, man. Good luck. It probably might work out for you. Who knows? Thanks, G's Crypto. I'll check it out, man, for sure after the stream. Nazro said, thought on Decentraland. Sounds like a cool project. Yeah, apparently they got a little pump from the Zuckerberg. From the Zuck. Decentraland. But yeah, nice move up there. You got initially up to like 104, but then you pull back a little bit. But I mean, yeah, the Decentraland looks good. The Decentraland looks good. I think you're gonna move up to here to like 108. You know, I think that you're at least gonna get a move up to 108 over the course of the next couple of days, in my opinion, because there's not much resistance where you're at right now. I think you move up a little bit higher there. But yeah, we talked about it a little bit earlier today, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. But the Decentraland's looking real juicy, real freaking juicy, as we would say, guys. It's got a giant pickle. I need my moon helmet, by the way, guys. If you're new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. We're here every day from 7 to, you know, depending on the day, 9 to 10, right? It's usually right around 9:30, though, normally. Stop shilling ETH. It's a meme coin. Link is trying to move up too, guys. I mean, nothing crazy, but Link the slink. Link's trying to move up too, which is nice.
By the way, man,
Thanks, Joe Jester. Oh, yeah, like I was saying yesterday, guys, I wasn't trying to crap on SHIB. I was just saying, like, if you're going to invest in SHIB, that's fine. Just make sure you have a plan on taking profits. You just don't want to be the guy who was holding the bag at the end, right? You never want to be that guy. I've been that guy before, so I'm trying to help people not be that guy. You don't want to be that guy, because that's the guy that's like, everyone else is partying because they took profits, and you're sitting there like acting like you did, right? Oh, acting like you took profits and you made a bunch of money, but you're really still holding your bag, right? You don't want to be that guy. You don't want to be that guy.
because of you. Say thank you. To see this
Thanks, Lewis. Appreciate the kind words, guys. I mean, like I always say, guys, I sit here and talk about the coins and tell you guys what I see and what I like, and you guys make your own decisions, though. It's not on me, it's on you. You guys have the diamond cojones to hold. You guys have the smarts to take profits. It's on you, right? I mean, anyone can tell you anything, but only one person can pull the trigger, and that's you, man. So, always remember that. I mean, it's on you, man. Seriously. But congrats, man. I'm happy to see people making money, and this is why I say have patience with coins, man, because, you know, a coin could be doing nothing, and this is why I'm preaching having patience with ADA, right? Because ETH was doing nothing for a while, and now it's gone, right? Now it's gone, or at least trying to be gone. So that's why I always preach patience with coins. Don't be trading out coins just because they're not moving for a while, and that's what I do. You don't have to follow it, but yeah, man, ETH pushing 4,400 at the moment. 4,400. BNB pushing 500. That's pretty nice. That's pretty freaking nice. You buy and sell your ETH or just let it go with the flow? I don't touch my ETH, man. My ETH is locked away. I've continued to buy more ETH, right? All through May, all through June, all through July, even in September. I even swapped some altcoins into ETH, right? ETH is always my go-to when I swap altcoins that are not performing into ETH. Altcoins that aren't performing that I don't think will perform. Like, I moved some Crow into ETH. Crow is just Crow, right? Crow's Crow at the end of the day. ETH was at 39. Yeah. It was, man. It was. ETC's moving. ETC is moving. Ethereum Classic is moving. Trying to, man. Like I said, we're waiting on this breakout for ETH Classic on the daily. You're trying to make some pickles here. If ETH Classic can break out here, the Robin Hooders are going to scoop that crap up. I'm telling you right now. But yeah, I mean, ETC, I don't know why I just did that Santa Claus laugh, by the way. Yeah, it was kind of weird. But if ETC breaks this, oh man, it's so juicy. It's going to be so juicy, and all the Robin Hooders are going to like be flocking in the little woods. They're going to go.
Glad I got to watch. I'm sorry. Here, bro.
What's up, Tanner, man? Appreciate you, dude. It's a good night for me, and I'm sure it's a good night for a lot of people after waiting for a while for this. But if ETC can break out, you're gonna have all the Robin Hood just going, the real Ethereum Classic. I'm gonna FOMO in because ETH Classic is the real Ethereum. It totally is. I am a crypto expert. I'm a crypto expert. I use Robinhood. And I just started crypto investing a couple weeks ago. I'm going to FOMO into ETC because it's the real Ethereum. I mean, it's called Ethereum Classic after all, isn't it? Strap up. We're going to the moon. Strap up. We're going to the moon. You have all the friggin' Robin Hooders getting in there, which is going to be great. It's going to be great, man. That's why I picked up some ETC. Because, yeah, you never underestimate the Robin Hooders, bro. Never underestimate the Robin Hooders. Moon Jimmy instant like. Thanks, bro. By the way, us Robin Hooders still got our $200 ECC. Exactly. You did, man. You freaking did. I bought some ETC. I bought some ETC around 40 something bucks. Couple weeks ago. ETH Classic is like the Coke Classic without the Coke. Yeah, that's facts, bro. That's absolute facts. Let's freaking see. Conut said thoughts on AMP. AMP. Come on, ETC, get up there, bro. AMP is AMP, man. I mean, it's this hasn't moved yet. Let's see. AMP. Bro, this thing is like a troll, dude. I feel like when this breaks out, it's gonna do really, really well. It's just here's the TA with AMP, man. It's about what we got. It's about what we got, baby girl. Why am I calling AMP baby girl? Well, you'll have to find out in the next episode. AMP. Well, I mean, it's still inside the consolidation. We looked at a different one earlier, but you know, still could be in this little consolidation here. Right? Higher lows, lower highs. You could argue it's a straight line of support, but it might be. A little bit descending triangle, possibly. We're in a bullish trend in crypto. I mean, I expect eventually this will break out to the upside. It might just go sideways forever at this point. You know, it might just go sideways forever. AMP. Everyone's going to be mad at me. AMP is It's AMP. It's AMP. I don't have anything else to say. Until it breaks out of this little sideways consolidation, it's nothing I can really say about it, man. You know? Matic. Yeah, Matic's at 215. It touched about 220 earlier. So it's not quite at the highest level it was on stream. That's for sure. Show the Bitcoin wedge. Bitcoin wedge is right here, man. We literally wicked up to it right there on this 4-hour candle. But we have not broken out just yet. But we're right on the cusp. We're on the cusp of glory here for Bitcoin as well. We got the cusp of glory for Ethereum, but not quite Bitcoin just yet. Not quite Bitcoin. Time to give in, bro. SHIB. We've been looking at SHIB. We've been looking at SHIB. Not really doing anything right now. I mean, it's sort of pulling back. I don't expect SHIB to go to zero here. I think as long as Bitcoin's bullish, SHIB will probably continue up. Will it continue up at this pace? Probably not. Just for the fact that the market cap is so big now, right? The market cap is, you're talking about a coin with a $28 billion, that's volume. Where is it at? $37 billion dollar market cap. It's not going to move up at the same pace, just simply that it's already a top 10 coin, right? So, taking that into account, I do think SHIB will continue up. It's just not going to continue up at the same pace that it has. But I think it bounces back and continues up at some point. It might pull back for a little bit. It might consolidate for a little bit now, but it'll bounce back. It'll bounce back. I love how everyone used to say double top, and everyone's like, now it's going to be a Bitcoin triple top. It's too funny, man. Do you expect a pullback on ETH now? Who knows, man? I mean, ETH is doing its own thing right now. Okay. Now, ETH could settle up here. I mean, it could have, a close right around this area, and then a pullback and back testing the previous high. Let Bitcoin break out, which, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin. We gonna liquidate Java? Oh, come on. Yeah! Let's go. Oh. Respect the freaking wedgie. Respect the wedgie. Put respect on that name. You best get a tattoo that says respect the wedgie. I might get a tattoo that says respect the wedgie right across my chest. Right across my freaking chest. Okay? Right across my chest. Every single time, bro. Every single freaking time. Let's see if it holds though. Let's see if it holds though. Because we had a 4-hour candle right here that didn't hold. We hear from Java? Alright, Java. Java. Alright. Let's go hear from Java real quick while we watch Bitcoin pump now. And holy crap, I'm blurry. I'm like look at how blurry I am, guys. Holy crap. That's actually the most blurry I've ever been. I look like a friggin' tomato. Alright. Bitcoin's pumping now. Respect the wedgie, bro. Respect the wedgie. If you don't respect the wedgie, well, that's it. Tony, right now. They play out every single time. If you don't respect the wedgie at this point, I don't know what to tell you. We've closely, we got to see if this plays out, but we have pretty much called every single bottom and every single pullback on Bitcoin based off a wedgie. If this plays out again. All right, let's go check out Java again, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right. No! You gotta be kidding me! Are you freaking kidding me? No. No. No, Melissa. Melissa. Melissa, I know. I'm sorry, you can't hear me. I'm talking to you from my iWatch. I'm talking to you from my iWatch. Melissa, no. I need my shoes. Please don't take them back. I've been doing so good exercising with them. Please. It's Savvy's fault. Take Savvy's shoes. Take them. Take Market Maker's shoes. He keeps making mongoose patterns and I keep listening. It's not my fault. It's not my freaking fault. It's all their fault. They have no idea what they're talking about and they're influencing me. Please, Melissa. Melissa, no, don't hang up on me. No, Melissa. Hold on. Melissa. My shoes. My shoes. No. I don't want to talk to you guys tonight.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin show.
Oh, we got thick socks. We're going nuts. We're going freaking nuts right now. All right, this is turned into a really boring stream into a really, really nice stream. Wow. Ethereum breaking all-time highs, Bitcoin breaking up out of the wedgie. It's great. It's great stuff. We have to wait for confirmation. We have to wait for the 4-hour close. But so far, so good. Bitcoin pushing $62,000. And ETH still sitting upwards of 43.94. And Java gets liquidated. Let's freaking get busy. Freaking get busy. It's great. It's great. Let's pump the likes, guys. Let's pump the likes. I don't know where the likes are, but let's hit all-time high with likes. I think all-time high likes was like 1,700 likes. I'm going to guess that we probably have somewhere around that amount of viewers today. So we could probably get there. That would be pretty freaking sweet. Pretty freaking sweet. 62,000 for BTC. And ETH is chilling at 43.94. Just chilling like a rock, man. It's great. What happened to the Canadian guy? I have no idea, dude. I have no freaking idea. What's up, Martin? Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. Skillful said this is awesome. Glad you're here, Skillful. You're a homie, man. You're one of the homies. Let's get this freaking crypto, boys. Tired of trading knockoffs on Robinhood. Want more? That's true. Timmy curious if you can look at Minties. What is Minties, man? I have no idea what that is. We can definitely look at it though, my friend. Minties. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Let's go check on CoinGecko maybe. Minties. Minty swaps. It's up pretty big today. I don't really know what this is. Holy moly. Yeah, this thing's going nuts, man. I mean, at this point, you're probably going to come up and test this high over here. And, this. Holy crap, this does not help me at all. Yeah, I can't really... I mean, CoinGecko's charts aren't the greatest. I will say that. You might come up and test like 9.8 cents here, potentially, on Minty swaps, but I can't really say anything else. You don't have the charts here. You don't have the charts. All right, let's see if ETH can hold a high. And let's see if Bitcoin can hold on the close, man. Let's see. ETH is pulling back a little bit. Let's see if it bounces. Same thing with BTC. Shiba's down 6%. It'll bounce back. It'll bounce back. You know what I mean? It'll bounce back. It's pulling back because people are probably taking profits on it now, which it was going to happen at some point, and it did. People are probably taking profits on it and moving them into ETH and Bitcoin as they see them going up, right? I mean, it's classic. Shiba Inuers taking profits on Shiba, moving them back into Bitcoin and ETH. It's simple as that. Is it a coincidence that Shiba drops and Bitcoin and ETH pump? Probably not. And it's the same thing. When Shiba pumps, you usually see Bitcoin and ETH go down. It's the same thing. Shiba will bounce back though. Just might be some people taking profits and FOMOing into ETH and Bitcoin and stuff like that. Called the wolf paper. Is it really? In the wedge we trust. Thank you, JD. Yeah, the wedge. The wedgie. Let's see. It's not breaking out. We got to confirm the close because we did the last thing on the last 4-hour candle, guys. We had a pretty big wick up here, and we couldn't close above it. So at this point, we want to get that confirmed close above it. If we can, we're looking juicy, man. We're looking real juicy. In the wedge, we freaking trust. Cat says 30K in profit. Nice, bro. That's freaking crazy. 30K is 30K. I mean, that's nothing to snuff at, dude. People taking profits to buy all-time high. That's true. I mean, hey, you can't doubt people, Drew. You can't. Not gonna lie, Shiba has a bear flag on the 1 hour. I mean, I would argue that this is actually. I mean, I would argue that this is actually might turn into a bullish. And depending on how you want to look at it, I mean, this could end up being like a descending triangle too. But you could look at this from a couple different ways. I mean, this could end up being a little like a symmetrical triangle continuation pattern. This could end up being a descending triangle, right? I mean, it depends. You're coming up on a breakout. It's either going to be it's either going to be a big dip to the downside, or it's going to be a recovery to the upside. I would say at this point, just based off what we're seeing right now and what I probably expect Bitcoin to do at this point, if we can close out of the wedge, we haven't confirmed the breakout yet. We need to have the close, obviously. If Bitcoin could break out, I think you see some money go into Bitcoin from SHIB, and this could come down a little bit more. If Bitcoin doesn't break out, they say if Bitcoin comes back down and closes below the wedge, you'll probably see SHIB in that opinion probably break up a little bit here. I think a lot of it has to do with are the shibbers going to FOMO into Bitcoin when it breaks up, or are the shibbers going to stay in SHIB? I think that's what it's going to come down to right now. Ada is too poop to pop. Yeah, Ada's chilling, man. Ada's chilling like a villain right now, but hey, I'm still holding my Ada, man. I'm going to have patience. Patience. If it doesn't move, it doesn't move. If it moves, well, it moves. I'm going to have patience. That's just my philosophy. I don't like to jump around coins. Also, for the fact that, most of the ADA I do have right now is in, long-term capital gains tax, which is obviously better. So I'd rather keep it in there than be swapping it from coin to coin to coin. It just makes it easier for taxes too, which at the end of the day, I guess doesn't really matter, but it does to me. What's up, JD? My 54K SHIB profit went to VeChain. 54K SHIB profit went to VeChain. Hey, vet, like we've been talking about, a lot of people like to say, don't want to hold vet. But like we said, the last couple weeks, it's starting to get some momentum, right? It's starting to get some momentum. The big test is going to be breaking this 15.5 cent level. But if they can break 15.5 cents, then, it's going to be looking really good, right? Previous high. If this can break, well, it's not much, like we like to say, and all the way up to 25 cents. VeChain can make another run. It's actually reminded me a lot of Matic a little bit. Very similar chart to Matic, where it had this big resistance, and once it broke that, I mean, it's been off to the races since then. But yeah, I mean, that's VeChain. I'm expecting to move up here, Shiba Inu. Let me actually, I'm getting a little blurry here, guys, again. Let me fix that here. There we go. There we freaking go. A and H on the 1 hour candle? I don't even know what that means, bro. Or Adam and Eve. Is that what you mean? Oh, A and H? I don't know why I just can't think. I can't think. All of a sudden, Jordan doesn't speak English. That's facts, bro. That's facts. All right, guys. I mean, ETH looks like it's settling down a little bit. I don't think it's done. I don't. The 1 hour is getting a little bit up there in the RSI, but I don't think it's done right now. It's just going back up again. I mean, man, dude, it just keeps going back up. ETC's pumping. It better be pumping, man. It better not be the same we looked at it last time. I'm going to listen to you. But it better not be the same, bro. Yeah, it's right there, dude. It's right there. We've been waiting for so long for this to break out. It's so close. So close. But it's right there. I mean, this has been such a long, drawn-out consolidation pattern here. And it's like a spring, ready to spring when this breaks out. It's only a matter of time. For the next week or so, I'd probably expect a move. But it's getting tight. The spring is getting tight here for ETC. And it's coming at a perfect time where retail might be starting to come back in. So it's coming at a perfect time. Perfect. OSU said don't pass out. Yeah, I already passed out, OSU. But I woke up. Don't pass out yet. I'm trying not to pass out. Pretty tired, though. It's been a long day, man. It's been a long freaking day. I actually went out. Before the stream, I got out and got some drinks. So right now, I'm kind of like having... Before the stream, I went out and had some drinks. So you kind of know how it is, right? I mean, you drink during the day, and then at night, you get really tired really quick. It's kind of where I'm at right now. But here's the thing. I'm a cryptoer, right? So we're used to these nights, where some nights you don't sleep. Especially if you start seeing Bitcoin and ETH break out. ETH broke out a little bit. We're still waiting on the confirmation from Bitcoin, but it's probably going to come right up to the close. I mean, the close isn't until midnight tonight, which is another 2 hours and 20 minutes. So we got a lot of time here to wait for the breakout. Okay. Still hodl ATC. Yeah, man, that makes me sleepy. Yeah, it's so true, bro. I'm a little sleepy right now. Camp the adrenaline. Bane said I walked in the rain. You can't say you drink all day unless you start early. I didn't start that early. I probably started at like, I don't know, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Ish. All right. It's probably a good time to end it, guys. Looks like ETH is settling down a little bit right below highs, and Bitcoin is fighting for the wedge close, which isn't until another 2 hours anyway. So let's see where Bitcoin closes. If it can close somewhere above 61,450, we'll see, right? We'll see what happens. If it doesn't close above there, well, we live to fight another candle day. But I'm probably gonna head out. I appreciate you guys. It's been a nice, awesome freaking stream. One of the most fun streams that we've had in a long time, in my opinion. Just seeing ETH break out, seeing Bitcoin possibly break out. Another fun stream, bro. Another really fucking fun stream. But I'll see you guys later. As always, take it easy, take it good. Catch you guys later. Peace.